Welcome to fourth grade math. This is for lesson 169. Guys, this is the very last math video that you'll have with me, and then tomorrow you'll take your test, and then you'll be done with math for the whole year. Okay, so first of all, we still have a number 2 up there, right? So how many days left do we have? Let's see if our friends have come. Let's see. Oh, here's Max. Max, did you bring a friend with you? You did? Okay. Max brought another friend. Okay, so there is a friend for today, and there's one new one for Friday. So you may have seen these, but so this one, who's your friend today? Oh, look, it's Wilma the Wallaby. I may have just changed her name. She's a wallaby because she's not very big. And wallabies are different than kangaroos. They're smaller and they're a little chubbier. So that's why this is a wallaby and not a kangaroo, in case you were wondering. So this is Wilma the wallaby. And so Wilma, how many days left of school do you think we have? We had 2. So how many do you think we have? 11. Man, you guys must be doing all your math together because, man, my animals need to come to math class or something. Maybe I need to have a special math class for you guys. So no, we had 2 days and we're going down. We need to know how many days. 5. Okay, well, we went down from 11, but no, we still have less than that. So 2 minus 1. Oh, 2. No. 2 minus 1. Oh, 1. 1. All right, Wilma. Sorry, I said the name for tomorrow's. All right, Wilma. So there's 1 day left. So let's go ahead and write a nice number 1 on here. Very nice. A little shaky. It's hard to write with these guys. Okay, a nice number 1. Make it like that so it looks a little different than just a straight line, so that you guys can know that that's our number 1. 1 day left. Do you have any words of wisdom for the last day of review for math? Don't add like me or Max. That's true. Don't add or subtract like Max or the other puppets. Okay, very good. Anything else? Bye. All right. Wilma's gonna go hop to find her food. Okay, so we have, this is the very last day. You do have a speed drill, so lesson 169 speed drill, 2 minutes to take that. We're gonna start with a little bit of review. Okay, so first of all, what is our formula for area of a square? Formula for area of a square is A equals S times S, or side times side, or side squared, okay? What about area of a rectangle? A equals length times width, or L times W, good. Perimeter of a square? P equals 4 times side, okay? And the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2 times L plus 2 times W, 2 times length times 2 times width. All right, good job. Those are your formulas. We're going to also do a little bit of this. All right, so, first of all, okay, 27 divided by 3, 9, 24 divided by 3, 8, 48 divided by 6, 8, 25 divided by 5, 5, 20 divided by 5, 4, 48 divided by 4, 12, 21 divided by 3, 7, 12 divided by 4, 3. All right, switch your brains. 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 10, 50, 12 times 6, 72, 7 times 4, 28, 6 times 11, 66, 7 times 6, 42, 12 times 3, 36, 10 times 8, 80. Very good. All right, go ahead and pause and go take your speed drill, your last speed drill. Pardon me. And When you come back, we'll look at your page. All right, I hope you did well with that speed drill. We're going to be taking a look at page 305 and 306. And on this page, we've got area and perimeter review, all right? So none of this is homework. All of this is for today. And so your homework is, your final is tomorrow. That's the homework, is just to let you know that your final exam is tomorrow on math. So use these review pages that you guys have been doing. If there was something that you were struggling with and you had some extra problems, go back and do them. See what you can, what ones you can make sure you know, okay? So use that. If you didn't have any of those sections left and you still needed some help, there are some additional pages in the back, and some of your parents know about them. And so if they are, hopefully, if they need something, there's these supplementary exercises in the back, so you can have extra things to practice with so that you can do well on that final test, all right? So first of all, on this page, unlike yesterday, I'm just gonna say, do all the problems except the green, okay? Do all the problems except for the green, all right? If you need the extra practice, do the green problems too, but at least do all the problems that are black, all right? There actually aren't very many green problems, so you're doing most of this, but this is good review for your final test, all right? So especially do your temperatures, your thermometer, make sure that you're able to read that correctly. Notice what numbers are on the thermometer first, okay? So try to make sure that you know that, because none of them are the same. So keep that in mind. Make sure you know how to use those formulas. If you are unsure of that, then you need to let someone know so that they can explain it to you again, or they can contact me and I can explain that. Same thing with converting your, getting the same denominator for adding or subtracting fractions, okay, or mixed numbers. So you need that same denominator to do that. So make sure you get that, and then your decimals. And you do have that line graph at the bottom. So all you're gonna do, find the points first, and then use a straight edge, a ruler, or something else to draw your lines to make those nice and neat, okay? All right, that's all I have for you. Do well on your test tomorrow. You're only gonna see me in a couple videos tomorrow, so, but hopefully soon we'll be able to get together. Hopefully next week we can get together, and if you guys are able to come and we can see each other one last time before summer. So we will see you in the next lesson.